Welcome back to Silhouette Studio. In this video, we'll explore the replicate panel. This panel makes it easy to duplicate designs, create patterns, build layouts, and quickly generate multiple copies of your artwork. You'll find the replicate panel on the right side of the workspace. The replicate panel has 3 tabs: Replicate, Advanced Replicate, and Object on Path. Let's start with the Replicate tab. This tab provides quick preset options for making copies of your design. Most of these tools create copies directly next to the original in the direction you choose. The exceptions are Fill Page and Rotate copies. Duplicate creates a single copy above, below, to the left, or to the right of your original design. Rows and Columns quickly creates 2 or 3 copies, horizontally or vertically, making it easy to build simple layouts. Fill Page automatically creates as many copies as possible within your current page size and evenly distributes them across the available space. This is especially useful when preparing sticker sheets, decals, labels, or other production jobs. Mirror creates a flipped copy of your design. You can mirror it horizontally to the left or right, or vertically above or below the original. Finally, Rotate copies creates multiple copies that rotate around the center of your original object. You can quickly create 2, 3, or 5 evenly spaced copies for decorative designs and repeating patterns. If you need more control, switch to the Advanced Replicate tab. Advanced Replicate allows you to control exactly how your copies are created. You can specify the number of copies, their direction, the distance between them, and even rotate each copy as it's created. Best of all, these settings can all be combined to create complex layouts in just a few clicks. Under Position Each Copy, choose whether each new copy stays in place or moves in a specific direction. You can move copies horizontally, vertically, or create a completely custom direction by entering exact X and Y values. Once you've entered your settings, simply click Apply to generate your copies. The final tab is Object on Path. Object on Path lets you repeat an object along almost any line or shape. To begin, you'll need 2 objects: the object you want to repeat and a second object that will become the path. Select the object you want to duplicate, then open the Object on Path tab and click Show Grab Handle. A grab handle will appear on your selected object. Drag that handle onto your path, and your object will automatically repeat along it. Once attached, you'll notice 2 adjustment handles. The first controls the starting position of the repeated objects around the path. It can also be used to create an opening by separating the beginning and end of the repeated pattern. The second handle adjusts the spacing between the repeated objects while automatically adding or removing copies to keep them evenly distributed. You can also make these same adjustments using the controls in the lower portion of the panel, including start position, section length, number of repeats, and step length. Object on Path isn't limited to circles. Any open or closed path can be used, making it a great way to create borders, wreaths, decorative flourishes, repeating patterns, and custom designs. You can also adjust the start angle and increment angle to change how each object is rotated along the path. By default, objects remain perpendicular to the path. Turning this option off keeps every object parallel instead, giving you a different design effect. Generally, smaller objects work best, especially on tight curves or intricate paths. When you're finished, selecting Release Copies removes the live object on path relationship, allowing you to edit each individual object separately. If you choose Release Copies, the repeated objects become individual shapes, and the original path becomes a regular object again that can be cut. If you leave the copies attached, the path itself will not be cut. Only the repeated objects placed along that path will be sent to your Silhouette machine. And that's everything you need to know about the replicate panel. Whether you're duplicating designs, creating perfectly spaced layouts, or building custom decorative borders with Object on Path, the replicate panel can save you time and open up new creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.